In this video, let me show you how to fix Instagram countdown sticker not working. So if you're not being able to see or not being able to use countdown sticker within Instagram, let me show you the few things that you can try out. The first thing that you'll need to ensure is that you have turned on your activity status. So what you can simply do is head over to the hamburger menu on the top right, scroll down and head over to messages and story replies and make sure that the activity status is toggled on. Disabling this privacy tracker can sometimes block the real-time sticker components, so make sure you toggle this option on, and by doing this step alone you should be able to fix your issue. But however, if the issue is still not fixed, the second thing that you can try out is try to clear the app cache. Just tap and hold the app of Instagram, head over to this eye icon. If you're on an iOS device, you'll need to head over to your iPhone storage and then offload the app of Instagram. Now once you're inside of the settings page, head over to storage and then head over to the clear data option, tap on clear cache as well as tap on the clear all data option. What this does is it removes any sort of corrupted files as well as it logs you out of your account. So once you log in back, try to see if the issue is now fixed. If the issue is still not fixed, the last thing that you can try out is try to update your Instagram application. So just head over to the Play Store or the App Store depending upon your device and make sure you update your application to the latest version. So these are the few things that you can try out. I do hope this guide video was helpful to you. If it was, be sure to subscribe. I'm going to see you in the next one.